Hey Charlie, Ghana under siege. See where flood cover the whole city, Accra. Charlie, this be serious. This is Ghana, Charlie. It's not easy. Why? The whole place is covered in flood. See the people carrying their things. People are struggling for things, rushing fridges and all those things. Hey, no flood, people things spoil. Now people make this. Steal them from people, and they take things for the flood inside. What if the flood carry you go? How you go do? It's not easy. This is Ghana. Charlie, Ghana is under siege. It is not easy. Wow. Our heart goes out to all these people who are going through all diverse difficulties. God help them. It's not easy in Ghana.